Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily share your Instagram story to your WhatsApp status. So let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your Android phone. At the very top left corner, you'll see Your Story. Tap on it to open up your current story. Once your story is playing, take a look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll notice a little More option. Go ahead and tap on that. When you do, a few different choices will pop up. From those options, go ahead and tap on Share. Now, scroll down until you see WhatsApp listed among the apps. Tap on WhatsApp, and then choose My Status. After that, simply hit Send. And just like that, your Instagram story has been successfully shared to your WhatsApp status. This is a great way to reach both your Instagram followers and your WhatsApp contacts at the same time without having to upload the same story twice. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.